Nothing. Your pocket.
Can you show me how you were standing? Like,
That's not good.
No, that wasn't very nice of him to push you.
On April 11th, 2025, Canton County deputies received an urgent call reporting a family situation involving a young child. Officers quickly arrived at the scene to check on the safety of everyone inside the home. What seemed like a simple welfare check soon unfolded into a complicated story between an adult and a child.
Alright, I'm Deputy Gonzalez. Spoke on the phone.
Hello again.
Hello.
Again?
Again? You haven't seen me.
What? You're talking about the police officers? He just wants to talk to you, Mommy.
Okay. Alright, can you tell me what happened there?
Tyler hit me
Tyler hit you? Why did Tyler hit you?
because I was not being nice to him.
Because you were not being nice to him? What did you do?
I yelled at him and kicked his stuff.
Kicked what stuff?
His work stuff.
Oh, his work stuff? Okay, and then after you kicked his stuff, what happened?
He took my stuff, animals and stuff away.
And then what did you do?
I'm being mean.
And you were being mean? Okay. And then when did he hit you? Like that's where he hit you?
Yeah, my arm hurts.
After he took your stuffed animals?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Are you feeling a lot better now?
Yeah.
Okay. Were there nice people at the school?
Yep.
Your aunt was really nice? Okay. So yeah. You got all that?
I didn't hear any of it. Do you have a shirt on under that?
No, I have it.
Do you have
under-
another shirt, Mommy?
No.
No, I can get her a shirt.
That's okay. She can just pull it up.
Is that the only thing, Mommy?
Yeah.
There's no
Not
other
this
bruises?
One. Not
Are
this
you
one.
sure? Okay.
Okay.
Can I touch you?
Yeah.
That's the only spot he hit you? Not on your legs or nothing?
Mm-mm.
Okay.
How was your arm?
It's healing better.
Ugh.
Got the ice pack.
Yeah, that's great to hear.
When deputies arrived, they were met by a concerned mother and her young daughter. The officers began by calmly asking what had happened inside the home. Their goal was simple to understand, not to accuse. The child appeared nervous but willing to talk, and soon began explaining what had led to the call for help.
Can you show me how you were standing? Like, what were you doing?
I was standing like this and then Tyler pushed me. That's not good.
No, that wasn't very nice of him to push you. So when he pushed you, what happened?
I kicked his stuff.
Okay. And then he took your stuffed animals away.
Yeah.
Yeah. And then where did he get the belt from?
From his room.
Okay. And where were you?
I was in my room.
In your room? Okay. And how were you standing?
Auntie, hold my ice pack. I'll let Auntie hold my ice pack.
That's great.
Okay.
I'm standing like this until
Okay.
I went my hand over.
Uh-huh. Did he tell you to raise your arm
No, he told me to go in the room.
when he hit you? Did he grab your arm and hold it? Or
Yeah.
did you put your arm out? How did it happen?
Because he pulled me first.
Yeah. What do you mean he pulled you first? Can you do it to me? Show me what he did?
Auntie, you come here.
Okay. What
I
did you
want
do?
to show you what
Okay, not hard though. Don't do it hard.
I did like this to him.
You did that to him. Okay.
And Auntie grabbed my arm and he pulled my arm and pulled it off.
Yeah.
Yeah. You gotta talk
While
to
he
him.
was holding your arm? Was he holding your arm?
Yeah.
Okay.
My parents are right there. You tell the police to go there with them.
It's okay, Mommy.
Yeah.
They were already over there.
We were already over there.
already
We already
talked to
spoke to them.
They want to talk to you so they can keep you safe. Okay, so what I tell you, you have to tell the truth, okay?
Mm-hmm.
All right.
And whose sister are you?
I'm Lida's sister.
So your mom's sister.
This is DDK, so that's my auntie.
Your auntie.
And you provided pictures of an eye injury?
Yeah,
Yeah.
show her
Yeah.
We saw the pictures. Can you
Yeah,
tell
what
us
is
what
it?
happened? Do you know why?
because I'm not being nice.
Who were you not being nice to?
My mom.
Your mom. Do Do you remember how she slapped you? How? Show me how her hand looked.
Auntie,
How did she hit you?
Open.
she hit like this, and then when it went in my eye, that hurt.
I bet it hurt. The pictures look like it hurt. Yeah.
Now my eye's better.
That I can see that. I'm happy that it's better.
I really did not want my sister to know that I took the photos at all.
Okay.
Did you report it to anybody?
I did not.
Okay.
I did not because I was living there at the time.
Sure.
Let me take a picture of
When
that.
did he hit you? Was that today before
Not of the.
school?
I just need a timestamp of it.
Was it yesterday before bed?
Yeah.
Do you remember
Just hold
when?
it like that. So. Okay. Thank you so much.
I know he hurt you. I saw it.
Okay. Yeah.
Do you remember when he hurt you?
I was trying to go in my bed.
Was it this morning? Was it yesterday?
No, it was nighttime, and it was dark outside, and Tyler just told me to go back to bed and go grounded.
So was
Okay.
it yesterday?
Where was mom? Do you remember where mommy was at?
She was in the room.
She was in her room.
After gathering statements from everyone involved, deputies were able to piece together what had happened inside the home. Once the facts were confirmed, they made the decision to take the man into custody. The arrest was carried out calmly and without incident. Officers ensured that the child was safe and that the situation remained under control.
They'll tell you whatever lies you want to hear.
Yeah.
And I know for sure I've never touched our daughter.
We're gonna go into the
in
first
any
car.
direction Ever.
Yeah.
So for fucking her to be like, okay, all right. She don't give a fuck about my freedom. That's why I've been to prison so many times.
We're gonna go to that
So
first
I'm
car.
taking shit for her.
Yeah. No, I got you. No, this is Canton's. It's over here. Alright.
And then for her to be like, okay. What did I got there? What was that you pulled out?
Nothing. Your pocket.
All right.
Do not twerk on me. Dude, don't twerk on me. I've done plenty of DUIs where they be twerking. I don't need it. I don't need a grown man twerking on me,
That's
okay?
right. That's right.
Alright. I hear you, man.
I mean, if it comes down to me and her, what are you supposed to do? But you're saying you're taking me, so all right, you know. But the truth is the truth, and for her to fold up and say it was me, it's fucked up. Because that's not what happened. And those things could have very well happened with her sister. I wasn't even in the room when the thing happened, so that's what I don't understand. Is how you could take me based off an autistic child's word that gets confused about what day it is or numbers. And if she can't even remember days or numbers, well, then she's going to twist some information that isn't true.
Yeah, no.
And if you talk to her, you'll see that. I believe you have. But what's happened is her sister and brother have been in her ear telling her what to say instead of telling the truth. That's what that's all about.
Following a full investigation, the man was charged with child endangerment and domestic assault. He later appeared before the county court, where he received a sentence that included counseling and probation. More importantly, the child was placed under protective care, ensuring she would remain safe and supported moving forward. Cases like this serve as a reminder that intervention and awareness can make a difference. If you ever suspect a child is being harmed or neglected, contact local authorities immediately. One phone call can save a life. This footage is shared for educational purposes, to raise awareness about the importance of child protection and responsible parenting.